Hey guys, my name is Dr. Sam and I'm a family doctor based in New Zealand. In this video, I wanted to show you how to use Differin gel for acne. Now, I'm really passionate about this subject because I used to have horrendous acne when I was a teenager and I really wish that this product had been around. So let me fill you in on how Differin works and how it can work for you. Differin cream and gel, which is also called Adapalene, is a retinoid medicine. What this means is it increases the turnover of your skin cells to help unblock pores and glands in your skin. This helps to reduce blackheads, acne spots, redness and inflammation.
Yes! That's awesome!
But there are a couple of tricks to using Differin and getting the most out of this medicine. Firstly, you need to use this on a regular basis because it doesn't work as a now and then sort of product. Think of it like brushing your teeth, and if you don't do it all the time, you don't get the benefits. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to use Differin cream on myself, and FYI, my skin is extremely sensitive, so the products that I'm going to be recommending and talking about are quite specific for sensitive skin, so you might be able to get away with other products that are that don't have all the sensitive hypoallergenic stuff in them. Anyway, let's go through the process step by step. So firstly, at night you want to take off your makeup as you usually would. I personally recommend a gentle skin cleanser to do this, and my absolute personal favorite, if I'm completely honest, is this product called Cetaphil, which is a gentle skin cleanser. And you use a couple of pumps of this, and you wipe with some cotton pads, circular ones from the supermarket. So let's go. Now it's important not to be too harsh with this process, so you want to be quite gentle on your skin. Not have too much rubbing and scratching on your skin because that will make the acne worse. Okay, and then you want to wet your face with just some tepid lukewarm water and apply a moisturiser to your skin, and it's really important that your skin is wet when you do this. And I just use any old kind of night cream that I've got going at the time. So at the moment I'm using a L'Oreal Revitalift Laser ×3 night cream, and you just basically put a tiny wee bit on there. Once you've done that, you really need to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes for it to dry properly so it feels comfortably dry. And in this time I usually brush my teeth and read my book if I've got a little moment and then come back to it. So once it feels just comfortably dry, then you can actually apply the Differin cream. Now with the Differin cream, it's really important that you just don't use too much because otherwise you're just wasting it. So with the cream, essentially put a pea-sized amount on your fingers, so like about that much, and you want to put tiny wee dots on your forehead, your cheeks and your chin, and just the top of your nose. You really need to avoid the eye area, around the nose corners, and also the corners of your mouth because that's where the thinnest skin is and it's most sensitive. And then so you just gently rub this in. Now also a very important tip is when you first start using Adapalene or Differin cream, everybody pretty much gets a skin reaction where their skin gets much redder, drier and more irritated, particularly around the first 3 to 4 weeks of starting using it. And you've got to let your skin get used and adapt to the Differin cream. Remember that Differin cream's always working behind the scenes to unclog your pores, really getting to the root of why you have the acne in the first place. So I know that it's really hard when it first starts flaring up and you feel like I've just started this and it's so much worse. It's actually a known reaction to the Differin cream, and if you persist and persevere with it, you'll get past it and your skin will be looking really lovely. And in the first thing in the morning when you get up, you want to wet your skin so that again you're moisturizing it, and apply a sunscreen straight away in the morning. My personal preference, again, because I have some sensitive skin and I've tried so many different sunscreens and I always tend to react to them, and finding something that doesn't actually cause acne as well. This is my preference. It's called Sunsense Sensitive Invisible Sunscreen, and it's non-comedogenic. It's wonderful. You can use it on babies. It's just the best, and I can't switch from anything now. So again, just applying a nice smooth layer to wet skin so that it helps with the moisture, and then you're good to go. You can apply your makeup straight over top. Now that you've seen my real self with no makeup on, I'm going to have to change back to something a bit more presentable. So, thankfully I'm back to my normal self with all my makeup in place. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to subscribe to our channel, and you can also hit the little notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of our latest videos.